The mystery of life, the mystery of the human body, metabolism, proliferation, cell membranes, evolution, which are common characteristics of life, are possessed by life on Earth. It is a common element. These elements are common to life on Earth, but to space life, which is extraterrestrial life. What they have in common is not always common. On a planet with an environment different from that of the Earth, there are lives that do not have these characteristics. There is a possibility, however, even in space life. There is an element that makes us think that, without this, we cannot call it life. It is an element of metabolism. It seems that this is the essence of life activity. Metabolism. It means that the old one is replaced with the new one, and the life form is for life support. It refers to chemical synthesis and chemical reactions that are carried out using inorganic substances and organic substances taken in from the outside world as materials. By metabolism, organisms maintain, renew, grow, reproduce, and maintain their species. Metabolism involves the process of breaking down substances to obtain energy and the cycle of using the obtained energy to synthesize proteins, nucleic acids, carbohydrates, and lipids. Breaking down old cells and regenerating new cells. This is the cycle commonly referred to as metabolism. Humans have 500 billion cells replaced every day. But they still have faces yesterday and today. It doesn't change. If you think about it, you'll find this to be amazing. The 500 billion cells faithfully replicate the information of the old cells that are all replacing. The genes in the nucleus of the cell accurately copy the information from the old cell to the new cell. Because of that, occasionally, a copy error in genetic information occurs, which is a phenomenon called mutation. The raw materials for cell metabolism are inorganic and organic substances taken in from outside the body. The human body is also a chemical factory that extracts energy by chemically synthesizing from inorganic and organic substances. I can say that humans chew food with their teeth and break it down to the molecular level with the peristaltic movement of the stomach and gastric fluid. The intestinal juice of the small intestine breaks down carbohydrates into glucose and proteins into amino acids, which forms the inner wall of the small intestine. Nutrients decomposed from villi are taken into the body, and the remaining ones are carried to the large intestine as stool. It is excreted outside the body. The sugars and amino acids taken into the body by the villi of the small intestine are absorbed into the blood, and the sugar is in the blood. Amino acids move to the next process as a raw material for cell regeneration by combining with oxygen for energy. It is, indeed, in our body, a never-ending chemical factory creates energy. Chemistry of cell regeneration. We are doing the process. This is a vital activity called metabolism. Life activity and life are different realities. Life is defined as a basic attribute of living things, but I don't know what it is. If the activity of life is regarded as metabolism, it has been medically elucidated, but what is life? If asked, it would be more of a philosophical issue than medicine. Even in philosophy, the question, what is life, cannot be answered clearly. Even in philosophy, the question, what is a human being, cannot be answered clearly. Therefore, as a physicist, it is a research theme that I am irresistibly attracted to, but I understand that you won't be able to. The field of medicine, medical care, belongs to science. The wall of mysteries of life stands in the medical field as an academic discipline, but in the medical field, we are confronting the mysteries of life by making full use of human wisdom, research, and medical experience. Doctors and medical scientists are at the forefront of fighting the new coronavirus epidemic that is currently attacking humankind around the world. I am a scholar who has worked on the mysteries of the universe. but I see another universe in the mysteries of life, I think. From now on, I will tackle the eternal question, what is a human being? I think I have a habit of being attracted to issues that seem impossible to me. This habit is not inherited from parents, but may be due to God's intention. I'm thinking, I will die soon, but when I die I will ask God in heaven. The 14th of January 2022 INU Research Organization. President, Professor Kubo.